and welcome back to Simply Fatima. I'm so excited that you're here for another video. Today's video I am talking about my top favorite summer handbags. Today is the end of summer, so we consider it the end of summer, but I just thought it would be fun for me to sit down and share with you all my favorite summer handbags. If you're interested in that, please stay tuned. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and hit that subscription button, and while you're at it, smack that bells button so that you'll never miss an upload from me. While you're at it, follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury so that we can get to know each other there, just like how we're getting to know each other here. You might want to go ahead and subscribe because I am doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, and I am giving away these Gucci sunglasses. So the faster that I get to 500, to a lucky winner. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Just like in the intro, I did say I'm going to talk about my top favorite summer handbags. This video is going to be quick, short, and to the point. So let's start with handbag number one. Handbag number one is one of the handbags that I purchased while I was away from YouTube. I don't have an unboxing video on it. I don't have a what fits in my bag video on it, but it is the Coach Swinger handbag in this beautiful lime green color. And I thought this was a fun mini summer bag to have, and it is a pop of color. It's something that I don't have in my collection. It comes with a gold chain that is removable, and I love how you can get in and out of your bag. All you have to do is twist this turn lock right here, and the zipper pull pops up like that, and you just get inside of your handbag. And the handbag has just has the card holder slot in the back and a main compartment, but it is a really cute, fun summer bag, and I just love this color. I wore this to the beach when I went on vacation, but yeah, if you can get your hand on the Coach Swinger bag. I know these bags come in like brown, black, and you can also get this color, but I absolutely adore it, and it's made out of this really soft leather material, which is really great. So the first bag is the Coach Swinger bag in this beautiful lime green color with gold hardware. The second handbag that is literally one of my favorite handbags for the summer is this super mini Marmont Gucci handbag in gold hardware. I did an unboxing video of this, but it just has the H gold hardware on the bag. This is the white color. The straps are removable, and it has this one main compartment. But this is a really fun summer handbag. This is also a great handbag that you can wear in the fall and winter as well. The next handbag that I have I don't have tons of videos on it, but I have several videos on it, is my Nano Speedy. I love this little baby, and of course this would be on my summer must-have handbag list, just because even though it is so tiny, it packs a punch. You all have seen me stuff this bag, and you all have seen everything that has gotten inside of it, or that can fit inside of it. So this is like, if you can get your hands on this, this is really a top contender for summer must-have bags. Of course, this isn't the most carefree bag because it has vachetta, but it gets cute as it patinas over time. It doesn't have any removable straps, but it's just one large compartment, and it holds everything and then some. So this also made it on my summer must-have list as well. The next contender is any pochette that you have. I specifically chose my Damier Azur pochette because it is in a fun, bright, a vibrant color for summer. It's in white, and it has like this bluish gray checkered pattern on it, and so I think this is a fun, great handbag for the summer. If you have the monogram pochette accessoire, that's a fun, great summer bag too. But I just feel like because of the color of this bag, this gives really good, strong summer feels, and I think this is such a great handbag, and it holds a lot, and it's versatile. You can have it as a carry-all in your larger bags, or you can use it as a handbag. You can wear it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. But if you want more details on this bag, comment down below, and I'll do a dedicated video on my pochette accessoires. The next handbag I have is a Gucci handbag again, and it is the mini Marmont handbags. And I chose this bag because of the color. It is a nice fun spring summer color. It's dusty rose. You can also wear it in the fall too, but it's one of my brighter bags out of my entire collection, and I enjoy wearing my vibrant brighter bags in the summer. And so this handbag is great. It has a microfiber lining, it has a back pocket, it holds everything and then some, and then it has gold hardware, and the straps aren't adjustable and they aren't removable. But the Gucci mini Marmont handbag is another great summer staple. It has this beautiful chevron pattern and the GG on the back. Another handbag that is a great summer staple but will also be a great fall staple is this Prada Re-Edition 2000 bag. This is the only black bag that I have really carried this summer, and the only reason why this has made the list is because of the strap. The strap is made out of this fabric material that is so comfortable to wear no matter how much stuff you put in this handbag, and this handbag carries a lot. The strap is what makes it so comfortable, and I love the way it adjusts because it adjusts with this buckle right here. So you just pull this up and down to make it longer or shorter, and this is what made the list. This was a handbag that I bought while I was away from YouTube, because I can do a whole video dedicated to this bag. It comes with a gold strap as well that you can wear as a clutch, but I don't wear the gold strap. I'm saving the gold strap for like special occasions. But this made this list because of the strap. This strap is adjustable and removable, and you can put it on other bags, but it is so comfortable and so worth it. And then, so this is the Prada 2000 Re-Edition in Saffiano leather with gold hardware. And last but not least is a vintage handbag that I love so much that I want to go get repaired, and that is my Monstery Pm Backpack. Y'all, this is a great summer piece. The reason why I haven't gotten my bag worked on is because I need to reach out to Louis Vuitton again to see, or follow up with them to see if they received my email. 2, I didn't want it to get repaired just yet because I wanted to carry this out in the hot summer sun before I start babying this bag again. So I wanted to get full use out of this before I got it repaired, and it does not disappoint. I love this handbag. It's basically a huge bucket bag. You put everything you need inside. I can put some like lip gloss in the front pocket. You cinch the drawstrings, buckle it up. Great. So this made it on my must-have summer list because it is so easy, so functional, easy to get in and out of. I don't have any issues. I don't find it difficult. The straps are comfortable. I just love this bag altogether, and this bag did land on my summer must-have list. And once I get this bag repaired, I'll keep you guys updated on the journey. But other than that, those are all of my handbags that I have on my summer must-have list. Any bag that you saw in this video that you want me to go into detail about or show what fits in the bag, comment down below. If you like content like this, please make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget that I am doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. All the details will be in the entry box down below. And also follow me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves luxury. And until next time, my loves, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.